All right, you guys, it is officially 12 p.m. and lockdown for the snowstorm is off. The stay in shelter, so we are going to walk to work. I was gonna walk to work anyway, but I was just taking so long to get ready. So we're walking to the office just to get some things done, and we're not gonna go to work at my second job today because I called out. But yeah, these are the conditions. Like, usually there's so much traffic on this street. It's like just packed with cars to get onto the Brooklyn Bridge, like right down. If you make a left, you go to the Brooklyn Bridge basically. So usually there's so many cars over here, but no cars today. Just me, the snow, and that person over there. And sorry if the camera is shaky, because I know it is. I did not get to bring my tripod with me. This is a very spur of the moment recording. My neighbor asked me why I didn't have a hat on, but I have a hat. I have like earmuffs, and I have a hoodie on and the hood of my jacket. I should have gotten gloves. Oh my God. Woo! Yep, I just busted my ass in the snow. Wow. That was fun. Real time, live action. Whew. What a time to be alive. Wow, this snow is so soft. It's crazy. Holy crap. Whew. That was exhilarating. Oh, you hear the train? Can't see it, you can just hear it. Excuse me. People shoveling. I mean, it's literally still snowing since like yesterday at 2 p.m. It's kind of wild. But everything looks so pretty. Like a winter wonderland. Oh my God. Ah. Switching hands because my right hand is so cold. But look at all the snow, you guys. That's kind of insane. Ooh, look, that tree fell. That tree branch fell. Wow. Yo, you see that? What? That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Ay, cayó agora. Nossa, a árvore inteira caiu, mano. A árvore inteira. Bro, that's crazy. Got it on camera. Woo. Have to zoom in, but nossa, pedaço da árvore inteira caiu. Shit. Olha essa árvore daqui. This happened like last night because you could see the snow build up on the branch and the snow built up on the debris. But that won't happen right now. This is a dangerous corner. Like, holy crap. Look at that. Yo. Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior. Please keep us safe. Crazy. Oh, look at this. Mass snow. Crazy. That tree thing was insane. Wow. I was zoomed out, but on video, I'll zoom in to make sure. I'm gonna zoom in to see, but it was definitely on camera when that tree fell. Look at this tree. Gorgeous. I just like to record zoomed out. I think it just looks better. Like, it's like what I actually see, you know? Nobody's on the bridge. No traffic, yo. Usually so much traffic. If it's still snowing, when I get out of work, I will walk by the Brooklyn Bridge for sure. I've been working hard. There's money. Shout out to all my city workers. I work at a hospital as well, so I do have permission to be outside during stay-in shelters because of my work ID. Even though I did call out, they don't have to know that. Because I wouldn't be able to do both shifts. This is my daily morning routine. And today is the snow edition. Like real snow. Last time there was a blizzard, I didn't go to work, but I went to the casino. And I made some money, but I probably should have just stayed home or went to work. The boys covered. Thank you to the workers making it happen. This is a quick walk on the street because the sidewalk over there is treacherous, unimaginable. Oh my God, is this how people feel like all the time in upstate, in Michigan and stuff? Oh my God, God bless your souls. No wonder why they have such pretty lakes in Michigan to make up for the bad weather. Lord mercy. Oh my God. Thank God there's no cars. I would have literally gotten hit already. No one really should be driving. I'd say the workers. I mean, I called that a work, but I feel like the building I work in would have been closed anyway because it's an outpatient. I see the wizard. No one's for wizard of And look, it's like not even like completely frozen. It's like slushy. Okay. Okay. I mean, we already fell, but stepping into like a slush puddle is worse. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Oh, so gorgeous. Usually it takes me faster, but you know, we're struggling. La, 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 la. Sorry about that. So nice. This is Supreme Court, Kings County. Never looked better. Closed, full of snow. Oh. Oh no. Slush puddle. Ooh, Taurus. Taurus gang gang. Beep. Oh my god. The poor pigeons. The poor pigeons are so cold. Aw. Poor babies. Oh man. So cold. Oh man. Maybe I'll walk to the promenade later. Or the Brooklyn Bridge or both. I don't even know why I'm at work. Alright guys, 2 minutes. It's crazy out here.